Hello boys and girls, we are now going to code our bug into Catch a Bug program. But before we can code it, I need another sprite because I'm going to catch the bugs in something. So I'm just going to come back over here to my sprite library and I'm going to just look for something that maybe it looks like I could catch a bug with. And if you look, they have different bugs that you could also put in here. So it doesn't matter which kind of bug you use. So I want something to catch it. So I think I'm going to come back up here and I'm just going to use this bowl. So the bowl, and I'm just going to put it in a position somewhere. So now my bowl has simple code. So I'm going to come over here and just to get in the habit, I'm going to tell it to go to the event and I'm going to give it a flag and just give it that go to XY position. So no matter where it is, it'll go to this position. So now I'm going to go to my bug. Now my bug, I'm going to start with my event and a flag. But this time I want it, instead of giving it a specific position, I want it to just choose a random spot. So right here it says go to a random spot. And because I'm going to be having it hide and show, I want to also make sure that I use those two pieces of code. So I'm going to say when the flag is clicked, it's going to show. So now it's going to go to a random position. So now when I click the flag, it goes to different places on the screen. So now I'm going to come over here and now I'm going to use a new event. This event is called when this sprite is clicked. So when this sprite is clicked, it's going to look like I'm clicking on the bug to catch it. It's going to glide into the bowl. So I'm going to say when this sprite is clicked, under motions, there's a glide tool. So go, if I would say go to the bowl, so if I hit go to the bowl, it just looks like it magically appears there. Okay, what I want to happen is I want it to look like it's moving to the bowl. So I'm going to say, instead, I'm going to say glide, and I'm going to change this to glide to the bowl. So now it looks like it glides to the bowl, but I don't want to keep having it be seen. So now I'm going to tell it to hide. So it's going to hide and we're going to glide to the bowl. So now I'm going to click my flag again. And then when I click on it, it glides to the bowl and it hides. So that could be the end of the game, but that's not a very fun game. So what we're now going to do is I'm going to add a control. I'm going to add a wait. I'm going to say wait, and you can play around with this time, but I'm going to say we wait 3 seconds. And then I'm going to have the bug show up again. So I'm going to come down here to show. So now if I click the flag, it goes to a random position. Comes down here, we're going to wait 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. It should show back up. Oh, did you see it? I said hide. So I need to debug that, and I'm going to say show. And now let's try it again. Now 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, he showed back up at the bowl. So I need to tell it to go back to another random position so that way you're going to see it again, and then you can keep clicking on it. So I'm going to just say go to a random position and show. So then I can keep clicking the bug and it looks like you're catching them over and over again. So I only have, so the next thing that I want to do is I want to be able to have it do several times. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate and how to change the color of your bugs.